Alright, so today I got this French press coffee maker from BAYKA, BAYKA coffee maker. So here it is. Got the filters right here. Let's check this out. Ooh. And this here. Clean the thing. Cool. And then this one here. So you put the water in there. Which I'm gonna have to follow the instructions because this is my first time owning a French press. So,
when are you gonna use it?
I'll use it right now, and I'm just gonna use it with the coffee we have. It says place the French press on a dry, flat, non-slip surface.
Okay.
Anyway, those are the instructions. There's a lot of instructions here. So yeah, that's it. It's the French press, and I hope it makes really good coffee, and I'm pretty sure it will.
It looks pretty.
Yeah.
Hey folks, today I am opening this French press. Okay, so I just start drinking coffee, so I need something. Not quite sure what to get, so I want to try this style of making coffee. So this is a product that randomly came up on Amazon when I searched. It looks so nice. Good reviews. So here is an open box for you to see. Honestly, I don't know how to use it. I just want to show you guys what it looks like, and you know, if it's comprehensive enough for me to actually use it. In another word, is it easy to use? It looks easy. I saw some YouTube video that people were making. So, if I believe it correctly, is that you right here, you gotta get some hot water, put the hot water in, and then you put the coffee right in with it, right? And now all you have to do is just press it down like really hard, but do it slow, and then the water or the coffee start to like rising up, and then because it's a mesh at the bottom here, it's so fine, all that coffee seed is gonna stay underneath, and your filter coffee is gonna be right above here. So just you know, get your cup and get your coffee. It should be ready. It's very basic. The only thing that I like about this is that because of the color and how it looks, that's why I got this specific brand. And it also tell you like how many ounces coffees that you have right by the label right here. So it's very, you know, it's comprehensive enough for people to use. So I think it's a good coffee maker.